In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change price WooCommerce. Let's start right from the beginning, inside your WordPress site. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress admin dashboard using your usual admin credentials. Once you're in, turn your attention to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. This vertical menu is where you manage everything in your store. Move your mouse over the item labeled Products. Don't click yet, just hover over it. A small submenu will appear just to the right. From that submenu, click on All Products. This will take you to a page that lists every product currently in your WooCommerce store. On the All Products page, you'll see a table with your products, including their names, prices, and other details. Find the specific product whose price you want to change. You can scroll through the list or use the search box at the top right of the table if you have many products. Once you've located the right product, hover over its name and click on the Edit link that appears beneath it. After you click, give WordPress a moment to reload and open the product editor page. Now you're inside the product editor. This is where you control all the settings for that individual product. Scroll down the page until you see a box labeled Product Data. If you don't see it immediately, keep scrolling. It's usually located below the main description area. On the left side of the product data box, you'll notice a small sidebar with different tabs. Make sure the General tab is selected. This is important because the pricing fields are inside this General section. With the General tab open, you'll see fields labeled Regular Price and Sale Price. The regular price field is your main product price, the one customers will normally pay. Go ahead and click inside the regular price box and type in the new price you want to set. If you're running a discount or promotion, you can also enter a lower amount in the sale price field. When a sale price is set, WooCommerce will show the original regular price crossed out and display the sale price as the current price on your store. Once you're happy with your changes, look over to the right-hand side of the screen. There you'll find a box called Publish. This is where you control the status of the product. At the bottom right of that box, click the Update button. Wait for the page to refresh, and your new price will now be live on your WooCommerce store.